Let's learn about featured snippets and how to optimize your content to appear in Google's position 0. Featured snippets are special boxes that appear at the top of Google's search results, providing quick answers to users' questions. Let us explore how to make your content stand out and grab that coveted spot. Featured snippets are selected search results that are displayed at the very top of Google's organic results. This prime spot is also known as Position 0 or the answer box. The main goal of a featured snippet is to directly answer the user's question right on the search results page, so they may not even need to click on a website. Getting your content featured can significantly increase your visibility and make you look like an authority in your field. In fact, featured snippets can drive up to 8% higher click-through rates compared to regular search results. Let's take a look at some examples of featured snippets. First, we have a paragraph snippet. In this type of snippet, Google pulls a block of text from a web page to directly answer a question. For example, if someone searches "What is a featured snippet?" Google might display a paragraph snippet from a website that clearly defines what a featured snippet is. Next, we have a list snippet. This type of snippet presents information in an ordered or unordered list. For instance, if someone searches how to optimize for featured snippets, Google might display a list snippet outlining the steps to take. Let's explore more featured snippet examples. Another common type is the table snippet. This features data organized in rows and columns, pulled directly from a web page. Table snippets are great for displaying comparisons. Lastly, we have a video snippet. Instead of text, Google might highlight a video and even suggest specific timestamps within the video that answer the user's query. It helps users jump directly to the relevant part of the video. Let's compare an optimized content structure versus a suboptimal one for featured snippets. First, the optimized structure has a clear question as a heading. The answer is concise, typically between 40 to 60 words. The format is structured using lists or tables. On the other hand, in suboptimal structure, there are vague headings and the answer is too wordy, often exceeding 100 words. There is no structured format or a clear question-answer pattern. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.